Okay, so this is my fiberglass cap here, and I found some spots on here. So I went ahead and tried to rub them off there with my handkerchief. I tried the fingernail, not coming off. So we're going to go ahead and spray this one, give it the countdown, and see what happens. Now there's also a streak of rust here. That's definitely rust. That's where my cap rubbed into the paint, and just for fun, we'll see if it cleans that up. Okay, hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, I don't see any more spots on there. The rust streak coming down from my rubbed paint, that came off. That's cool. Okay, so those specks are gone. 5 minutes, all gone. I went ahead and I sprayed down the side of the truck here, and you can see based on all the purple, there must have been a lot of stuff on there that I hadn't seen yet that probably was going to develop. So a coworker told me about this Iron X material, and I thought, yeah, I'll give it a shot. I was skeptical, he was skeptical. He had success on his truck, so I tried it on my truck. He's got the same truck, same paint, same color, everything. We both went to Ford when we saw that we both had rust specks on the same truck, same year, same color scheme, and they told us rail dust and had no solution for us, which was very disappointing. So, glad we found this stuff, and I don't know, I'm curious. You know, I'd say short term it's definitely a success. Long term, we'll have to wait and see, and you know, see if these flecks come back or what it's like.